All right, we're at here's BMP. This is a new road.
So fresh.
Oh, they have drainage in it. So we're going to the Freedom Factory.
So smooth. There's no potholes.
No potholes. This is nice.
No burnout marks either yet. That's kind of weird.
No burnout marks yet.
Wait, a little. No.
Oh, there's the jet. Oh, now I can get into the next lane. What time is it now? It's almost 4 o'clock. Everything. The race starts at 6. So there's people all the people haven't shown up yet. So that's good.
Yeah, this is great.
This is a nice road. All right, let's see where we're gonna park. What is he doing? Here we go. Here's all the Altimas.
I don't think I've seen wood grain on
An Altima.
Doug made it up pretty far now.
Mm-hmm.
What did you guys end up doing? Just the radiator the other day?
Yep.
Yeah, and then he had to rotate.
Someone else got an SER.
Oh, PBR.
Huh? It's an SER.
Blue ribbon. Oh, for real?
Yep.
Doesn't fit? Yeah.
You can tell by the wheels.
Pulled everything out too.
Oh, there's a lot of Altimas.
I think it's a guarantee you'd be able to drive it back home.
Two more SERs. Jeez. This one's good. 6-speed.
I like the paint job on this one.
6-speed coupe.
Ooh, man.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Yeah. There's another. There's like 4 SERs. Leave the badge on it. There's Cleetus. I just went and pick him up in there. Oh, look at this one. Look at this. Yeah, I think so. Look at this one. It's like hidden. It's a hidden. I bet it's another SER. Wow. 6 o'clock is when everything starts. There's another one. 6 o'clock, everything starts. Yeah, I know. Jeez, another SUV. People have caught on. They're buying the SERs. Wow. That thing's bright. Oh. Wow. Roll cage. He's all set. Yep. It's Kevin Smith's.
Don't you know him?
No, we went. This is. Oh, he put new brakes on it. This is Kevin Smith's. The guy that he was over there working on the Ranger.
He's got nice rooms, brakes.
Oh, you're thinking of Mom's friend Kevin Smith. Yep.
Drivers meeting. Drivers back here, drivers meeting. Look at the rotors on this thing. Yeah. What's up with the manual? Drivers. Let's start the room. It's like a group of 5 people. They know where they're at.
Oh, there's the R.
Yeah, sorry, performance.
There we go. Found it.
He said it's all the way by the red truck back there. What's that? It's all the way just around the red truck.
There's another one with wood grain. Look at this wood grain. Look at that. That's quality work right there. Yeah.
Put it to these.
Yeah.
Gotta appreciate it.
That one's a GTR.
No.
Yeah, this is GTR in the front.
Oh, if it's got a turbo?
No, this has to be stock. No. Oh, look, he did this. He painted the taillights like it too. That's funny. Nismo-ish. What in the heck's going on here? He's got his AC vents closed. There's a pipe that comes around right here. I guess it goes into his helmet. That's funny. He's got a air hookup for his helmet or shirt or whatever.
That's
Smart.
we ain't playing around here.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah, that's definitely.
Race car stuff.
Yep.
I say race or rice?
Oh,
let's
look,
say race car
that
stuff.
seat. Holy cow. That's another SER. Well, has the wheels.
You really did strip these cars.
Yeah, that thing's totally stripped. No windows, nothing. Kept the wing on the back.
So you two could build one like this at home.
That is not going to be comfortable.
You can't even open this. This thing has one purpose.
No, it's a race car. No, I know. Here's a Alt Camino.
Oh, wait, so this is the second one with the luxury upgrade.
That's an Alt Camino.
Oh, the Alt Camino.
Yeah.
Okay.
See? It's like Altima Camino. It's funny. Oh, it's got, look, he has the lights all around it.
Oh, that's gonna be nice at night.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Because these run. These are the last ones that run at night. There's I don't know. That one's already beat up. This is like, this was on the road probably a couple days ago. Yeah, smell it.
What's going on over there?
Yep.
He's ready to rock
It's
and
mint.
roll.
TriStar Auto Sales, 99 cents. Okay. This one still has seats in it.
Like somebody was just living in it.
Oh, this one's a. This one's been track proven. Oh,
It says
and
don't get within 20 feet of it.
and the fan's running. It's cool. He's cooling it off. It's got a dead battery. Look at this. He's got the optional loose lug nut.
Oh goodness. I need to warn that driver. What is that? Yeah, but this one just screams, I'm trying to win and stay away from it.
All right, let's see. Where's? Oh yeah, there's a helicopter way back there.
Oh, that's where he landed, yeah.
Yeah, he landed back there. See if I can zoom in. Nope, that's it. That's all I can zoom in. Maybe you can see the props, the blades. I like the upside down Crown Vic. That's kind of cool.
Should have parked it like that.
Oh, I want that's. No, something different. There was a car that was leaking gas one time.
If it was leaking gas, maybe.
Yeah, this one was leaking gas.
That makes sense.
Okay, let's go walk around somewhere else. Let's see what else is happening. It's at the car.
All that hardship.
Have a little thing.
Huh?
It's easy to just have this tiny little thing.
Your final, your best five.
Oh, we missed them all. So that was qualifying of the pro trucks.
20 Rangers, 28 Rangers, and I believe 27 pro trucks. So the show is blown up. And guys, we're sold out. Thank you so much. I like to remind everyone that not long ago, this place was completely abandoned. It's 100% back because of all of you guys coming out and supporting this place. Whether you just watch online or you make it here in person, we can't thank you enough. Welcome to the Freedom Factory. We're gonna have one hell of a night.
Yeah, why is it yellow? I think we're sitting too close.
What was that? They went flying. Someone flying. We got hit by like a wood chip or something.
I don't know. I got a bunch of rubber on me though.
Was it a brake pad?
We had trouble there. We also had the number 16 truck spinning coming off of turn number 4, so there was trouble everywhere. But for Cleetus McFarland, able to quickly get the lead, J.H. Diesel made contact with the 954 of Ricky Fasinelli, our pole sitter, because they were...
This is 120 Altimas racing at, I think he said 100 laps.
That's why we have so many people back home watching on Freedom Plus right now, is because of this event. And that's why you see fans with their cell phones out, up on their feet, trying to get a look, trying to get a glimpse at their favorite driver, because you know what, Nick? In a matter of moments, they could be gone. They could be done. Their night could be over. And chaos is most certainly going to ensue.
Well, you got Kevin KSR almost all the way in the back, coming off a second place finish in the Danger Ranger 9000. You think he's going to make his way to the front like he did in the truck race, or you think he's cooked?
Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Altima 600 is green for the Freedom Factory.
Look at that victory, Cleetus. Victor slams right in the back of that guy. Unbelievable, brother.
Cars in turns 3 and 4 with barely going here comes the field. The leaders this is going to be crazy. 3 all the way through the track. And we got cars. We got a couple of cars stacked up together now.
Well, I wasn't trying to jinx it, but 2.4 hours of bullets while I was trying to finish that story. He got spun out.
Yeah, we're on lap number 67.
Slammed into the wall. I think that was the last time he raced one of these. Led the race for the majority of the time, and then here comes the replay.
I mean, 4 wide, then to 3. I don't think anything is malicious there at all. It's just drivers trying their hardest, trying to find an opening, and where Victor and that 176 car got together could not have been at a worse place.
Oh my God, this is the second time I've got to race this guy. My God, man, this feels so good. I hope everybody's having a good night. We drove 12 hours to get here, so let's hope y'all have fun. Let's go.
Brother, you beat 117 other cars. Have you ever been able to say that before?
I beat 99 last year in the 10K Enduro, but not this many.
How'd it feel? A lot of traffic out there.
Holy cow, that was wild, man.
Here we go. We're done. What do you think? How did you like it, Miguel? Thumbs up. It was fun. What do you think, Uncle Kevin?
It was a good time.
Good time.
We saw some action.
Yep. The Altimas were crazy. I didn't really video a lot of the racing because that's all over. You'll see that all over other places. So it's just us going here, hanging out, watching the stuff.
There's like smoke and fire everywhere.
Smoke and fire. So if you
rolling around the track.
yeah. So if you want to see any of it, go check Freedom Plus or other YouTube channel guys, and I'm sure they're gonna have the full race on there and all the carnage and everything. But it was a pretty good time. I got some videos that I'm gonna add here. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, and we're heading home now. It's late. It's his birthday. This is his birthday celebration. So happy birthday. All right, you'll see me in the next video. Bye.